Welcome. If you're finding Discord notifications a bit too much but don't want to miss out on updates forever, muting a server for a set amount of time is the perfect solution. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute a Discord server for 8 hours on your mobile device using the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look at your list of servers on the left side of the screen. Tap the server you want to mute. This will take you straight into the server's main chat area. At the top of your screen, you'll see the server name. Right next to it, there should be either 3 dots or the server name itself. Tap on that. This opens up a menu with several options related to the server. From this menu, look for and select Notification Settings. This is where you control what notifications you receive from this server. Inside Notification Settings, you'll see a mute option right at the top. Tap on Mute. Now, you'll be presented with several time options for how long you want to mute the server. Choose 8 hours. This will silence all notifications from the server for the next 8 hours. You won't get any alerts unless someone mentions you directly, so you can focus on your day without distractions. And that's it. You've successfully muted the server for 8 hours. If you ever want to unmute it before the time is up, just follow these same steps and turn the mute off. Muting servers is a great way to manage your notifications and keep Discord from interrupting your work, study, or downtime. Remember, you can always adjust the mute duration to fit your needs, whether it's for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or even longer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Discord experience.